Welcome to an extraordinary journey through the stunning Big Island, where nature reveals its magnificence. In this 360 degrees tour, we'll be guided through a trail that takes us from the serene Julia Beach to the paradisiacal Lopes Mendes Beach. Between each step, we'll uncover hidden beaches and challenging trail sections, discovering a landscape that is a true masterpiece of nature. Our journey begins at the picturesque Julia Beach, a hidden gem of calm and serenity. We only pass by its entrance, yet we can already feel its welcoming atmosphere. As we enter the trail, we're embraced by the pure air of the forest, the melodic sounds of birds, and the unique sensation of being in harmony with nature. While we advance through the trail, the dense forest envelopes us with its majesty. Each step is both a challenge and a reward, with steep sections that test us and breathtaking views that reward us. The sound of the breeze through the trees and the scent of vegetation remind us that we're delving into the heart of nature. Upon emerging from the trail, we're met with Palmas Beach, a haven of tranquility with its calm waters and extensive sandy shoreline. That group of people are French tourists. The island is full of tourists from all over the world. Do you see this puppy here? He will accompany us to the end of the trail. He was our guide in the middle of the forest. Here, private homes and lodges coexist harmoniously with nature, while the transparent ocean and untouched vegetation compose a truly spectacular setting. Returning to the trail, refreshed by the serenity of the beach, we continue our journey.
Vai pela direita. Pela direita.
With each step, the magic of the trail unfolds. Mang Beach gifts us with its secluded tranquility, waveless waters, and a few private homes and restaurants. And then, Pauso Beach welcomes us with its floating restaurant and oasis for maritime travelers. The connection between the human and the natural unfolds before our eyes. Finally, after challenging trails and serene beaches, we find ourselves before the spectacular Lopes Mendes Beach.
Porra, vai dizer que é.
Its golden hues of fine sand and crystalline waters leave us speechless. At the right end, the rocks offer us a vantage point to better contemplate the vastness of the ocean, a view echoing the grandeur of this natural paradise. The journey from Julia Beach to Lopes Mendes Beach leads us through a spectacle of beauty and challenge, connecting us to the essence of nature. Each beach, each stretch of trail, reminds us of the boundless richness of this paradise. At the end of this journey, the memory of Big Island is etched in our hearts, a place where nature reigns supreme. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel to receive more amazing videos exploring the beauty of nature around Brazil.